Welcome back, people, to MoneyRasTV. No, just watch the show. I wanna like it, right? I wanna see more. Just continue subscribe, like, share, comment. You understand? Just comment, man, people. I know what I'm going on. I know if I do good. You see me? I don't want to just watch a movie. I want to now make me know what I'm going. So I want to know what I'm going. See that brand new one here? It's going to be epic. I want to tune in. I want to like, share, and subscribe. Same way. I want to also comment. See me? I want you big. I want you poli-tricks. You know? You don't know the thing already. I have to explain. Like I said, people, like, share, subscribe. MoneyRasTV again at you with a brand new movie. Check me out. And people, I want to also sponsor me. Support the thing. Make my thing grow now, people. If you want to make a donation, you can. Just link me up, MoneyRasTV. My contact is 876-562-0478. Just link me, people, please. I beg you. Support MoneyRasTV. Make me reach one place now, man. Like, share, subscribe. MoneyRasTV. We're out here again. Check it out. Boop. Gone.
Don't call my phone if you're not money. Don't waste me time if you're not money. Don't call my phone and tell me about my body. A tile is all about the money. Don't call my phone if you're not money. Don't waste me time if you're not money. Don't call my phone and tell me about my body. A tile is all about the money. Time is money and money is time. So oh, some boy I waste them time. Sit down pan corner, scream lime. Money man a program every year, every time. Tell the little chatterbox them fi stop chat. Stop blow up my phone like it a Snapchat. Money man a program, that's what.
Come check it out.
Big up yourself, man.
Look, you have to walk one. I'm here, boy.
Oh, yeah.
When I run to clean up and you know, come check it up and me say, yeah, the phone.
No, sir. Depends on you know, I'm not told no what I go and sell. I'm going to find out on the white money rats. Money rats don't know a thing already, you know, so. If not, me not go and white money rats would have checked me.
Money was some.
Yeah, I'm already place now, man. And for a long time, I never know that. Yeah, man.
Good luck.
Money rats are man, I'm already thing, man.
But we don't get another walk.
Without chat money rats, you must get a work, man. Why I talk?
I have to go show money when I see. And me see place I clean up for me to get a blood clot. And you tell me, and I'm tell you, up front already.
Yo, me don't tell you one thing already, you know that. It's about money rats know the thing. Money rats will come forward and you know, say, boy, you go and know the thing around. So you want no 4 part, bill too. What 2 minutes see money rats yet?
That's my part.
Right now, but I want 1 part right now for myself. So I have a whole lot of things to take care of, I have a whole lot of bills.
Hey,
and you see me I say?
that one like a dinner, yeah.
No, man, they ain't like general thing, man. So I say, money rats are a man. You want to understand the Rasta?
No, you're going to show me the blood clot and every time that we come to your block, say,
Rasta.
problem. You don't have a problem from me.
Rasta, make you have to run out of town, you
Not
know.
a blood clot.
Don't make you run out of town, you know.
Hey.
Are you not understand the Rasta?
You tell me to money, Rast. I want him to have blood clot, tell you. Tell him, sir. You tell you, sir, stop molest. I'm not fuck you. I'm not come out of people in the yard.
Yes, come out of people in the yard,
You
yo.
hear me now?
All
Alright.
Come out of the yard.
Alright, sir.
Yeah, man.
Yo, one with Del Star, from where you may tell him, say, boy, you run things and everything, and man go on like, but what may I see? Look like him I run things, because him and them all like food, and we not get on like food.
How you ask to me, man?
Come like I'm alone, I eat all like food star, and when me try to tell you run things, he must say, boy, I hope, say, boy, I may tell Money Ras say, boy, yo, you want a piece of work. So I tell him, say, yo, me never have to tell you nothing, you know.
I don't like them thing the blacks, you know, for make no man come at your yard and come and ask you for me, no time. See me? Because I know say money man look at one of the program I want to look to tell one of the boy them either Andrew I want to tell Vaz say yo Money Ras, nah, go on good Money Ras, rare. Load the thing, make me conduct the thing, make me deal with everything. Don't try for bomb rush nothing and not tell this man and not tell that man and not go a man yard and them something there. You see me?
Yo.
So that's why I say, yo, come at me here, go to that place, yeah, and go deal with the match. You see me?
I mean, man, because
Yeah.
you don't know in a start. That's why I'm not race some out of yard in a start, because a big argument man come with start.
Yeah, no, start.
I say, yo, I want the Rasta Windel, man. Man just a go on so start to know say boy man them a food more away.
See it, you see it.
That's
Yo,
it.
we get
Be a
whole heap
style
of
man
money
you
to share up,
start.
you know, whole heap of money for share up.
We not
Yes,
doing
sir.
nothing.
We are going
Not
to wait
give
till we
nothing.
see him. We are going to wait till we see him.
Yeah,
Because the MP don't give it a go ahead and say we fair run off the place.
I mean, man.
You see me?
I mean, man.
But you don't know if him a PNP or what.
I'm a
So
labor.
I want to know which side him dep on, you know. So I could go out the road and see if we see the birds in there where I lock the sitting them, you see me? And no joke thing. Whole heap of money I run in a dog. You see me? Every man will forget a work, get a work. See a whole heap of work I go on. We are clean up and thing and enough of them dog and not do nothing. Them just a stay son and collect. You see me?
Yeah.
But you don't know the thing set, man. We are run the place.
Yeah, man.
Right? Yeah, man. We must collect that food there too, man.
Yeah, man. Most
Have
of
to
it
collect that food there, man. We not waste time. How would that? Alright, see a man there come. Make her move. The road where I go, brother. Hold on then, come on. I'm just reverse back. I'm just think me see the boy Windell, brother. You see me?
Yeah, man, that will look good, man.
Just see the boy Windell, so we know why, you know?
Yeah, so
Make
in that
sure
part.
him, you see me?
Yeah.
So hold on. Yeah, blacks. Not the boy Windell that we see, brother.
man. Where am I go? One Windel that, you know. I want to get all that work on, man. Style him I use for way. Yeah, we are doing it.
What go on, brother? What go on?
Wagwan like you don't know wagwan.
See that? So you get the whole I work?
Yeah.
Alright then, we'll link you, yeah? You hear me?
Alright, it's alright.
You know, I fuck with that Windell going with blacks. And we out the office, we could see him a while ago, you know, I don't know what kind of style that, you know. Big man thing, you know.
Yo,
See me?
Yo, it's a Windel now. You know that general to man. That's it's a Windel dung for me with you. I say, boy, tell Money Ras, say, boy, this. Tell Money Ras. You know, say, boy, if I'm something I go on, me have to eat nice. So I think, say, yo, you want my, you know, Virgin. If something I go on, Money Ras, so just run something for me. But you want no. Look at Windel, I get a cut out all time money. Differently. And we know if we know what I go on. And that's why you see him out the office. But still now we have to find out what go on still no cause. And you know not go on for we, you know. What we do, we put Windel nice here, man.
Yeah, but me say that a generalship, cause me get the millions and now. You see me? So, you know, so we are going to just give one little piece of cut. And make him know, say, yo, that. Because him done out there make team link already. And him not link with we. And to make we know what is what. You see me? Because he must have chit chat, you know. He must have chat off him out to the big politician man them. You see me? And I try to make some fair link. You see me? Yeah, man, but say, yo, we can't make them, the lower class know what go on, man.
No, sir.
You see me? We can't make them know we have to trick them, you know. You see me? I make sure them get little corned beef and little rice and things can, you know, cook a pot and them family alright. You see me?
I mean, man,
Yeah, but we collect the big money and we, you know, we dish it out and things. So we don't know. So him out there and I know say him going to try a thing. You see me like him want to take over. I don't know what go on with him, you know, brother. I more you talk to him good, you know, blacks.
Yo, man, I'm going to give him a chat, man, because I don't like how I move on with the picture, you know.
We are going to link him little more.
Man.
And which part we are going to link him?
Right on a Money Ras place, man.
Yeah, man. So
Right from the start.
we are going to dip on the block.
Yeah,
All
man.
right, I'm going to make sure I come through and deal with the mad star. We really want to reason with him and make him know the 100 because I know so it work, you know. We
Yeah.
have to work together, brother. You see me? Unity is strength.
Yeah.
So I pitch, patch up road.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, but we just hold back fear one and know, say, yo, I saw you go.
And man, I say, I will not give, I told them not give.
Alright, we are
You know?
1 2, bro.
No, Star. Me have some whole lot of things to deal with, Star, and I wait for the money and can't see the money I come. You know, see it. Windle, how you deal with Windle? The man just move away, Star. What kind of style you show me? So I don't get the money hour.
No one, boy, money to get the action.
Good night, Miss Patterson.
And no action no later yet, so you can't get no action yet. When action come, generally check me, because I'm running things and all, they see me there, you know. And the general run things, right, Blacks?
Yeah.
Alright.
It's fine when money has come. Action pack me wait for no cause you know the dollars we deal with. Because without the dollars, you don't know nothing can go on. You don't see it. You don't see it so for dollars to run. And dollars me there and wait for.
Yeah, Windell. Go on. Back again. Well, here it is, you know, we have the work here already and established. So we need about 10 man to clean up West and South Division. You understand?
Yeah.
When you finish, you guys gonna get paid, alright? So don't want to no worry about nothing. Just get up the guys them and get them ready and work. See it? Alright, respect.